I love that each of these are exactly a quarter the size of the regular size ones. They're great colors, very vibrant. The magnetics themselves, the magnets don't stick together very well. They kind of fall apart when you're trying to build towers and stuff. So when laying flat, they're great, but building towers, not so much. It kind of sticks, but it's very, very easy to knock down. Also, I wish that there was more than this in the set. It is a really nice travel set, 40 pieces total, and this is what 40 pieces looks like. But it's kind of weird because there's like 2 pinks here instead of 2 of every color, and then we don't have a green here, and then we have 2 greens here, but only 1 pink and 1 red. So it's kind of weird that the number of tiles are like that. And I wish that they were all the same amount of tiles. I think it's really cool that if it's not sticking, like it's not pulling together, that the magnets inside actually rotate to fit together rather than turning and trying to figure out and turn and turn. They just rotate together and stick together. So that's pretty cool. But yes, I wish that the magnets were stronger. That's the biggest thing, is that the magnets were stronger so that the toys would make all of these shapes much easier. Laying down is great. Standing up is kind of hard. Also, when you make this one, the same one that's on the back here, the ones at the bottom are actually the half squares up here. And I had a hard time figuring that out at first. My son did, because we were like, there doesn't seem to be enough tiles here. In this picture you can't tell, but in this one you can. You actually have to use the half tiles for it. But yeah, they're super great for travel, and I love it for that.
Stars. Oh, my God, one. All the glitters and micas. And this is like a translucent paper, plastic. Then these are the tools. Little spoons, droppers, then tag them. This was an awesome buy. This was the cheapest one that I found. And I think the one with the most assortment. Stations. There's 2 of these.
So here are the magnetic tiles. I got the 40-piece set. It comes with these pictures that you can use to build different structures, which is pretty neat. And I just made this castle one, yeah. And I had just 4 pieces left over. So they are fun and colorful, but there's magnets on each side, and the magnets are not very strong. Like, it's very easy to just take them off, and sometimes they will, like, you know, repel depending on which side it is. So you have to make sure it's the right side, which isn't too bad for like, you know, these triangles and these squares, because all the sides are even. But for these like right triangles and these triangles, it's a bit trickier. And you can't like even pick it up because it's not really strong enough. Like some of the pieces will stay together, but they may just fall apart. So you got to be careful about that. Otherwise, I think it's pretty fun to like make the different structures. And then once you're done, you can easily take it apart and do something else, or just put the whole set away in this tin, which makes it really easy to store them, especially since it's metal, so they magnetize to them and they don't fall out easily, I guess. Overall, I do like it.
So you can see a tin case, magnetic tile set, mini tiles, ages 3+, 40 pieces. Let's open this up. And you get this beautifully packed thing of magnetic tiles. You can see the magnets inside there. Pretty cool, pretty thick. You can kind of stick them together. And build whatever you want. I like them, they're pretty cool. Here's the sheet. Castle's pretty cool. And all the different shapes.